Why are you playing, ma?
Hindi naman po, ma'am.
I saw you. I just captured you in video. Don't lie to me. Naglalaro ko kayo. Pati silang dalawa. Why? Why? This is what we are being paid for.
Yes, ma'am.
We are being paid for to play?
No, ma'am.
Inaabangan mo ang...
Live show po every 12:30 p.m. ma'am.
Oh, 12:30 p.m. What time is it now? Tell me, what time is it now?
I think it's 1 p.m. ma'am.
Oh, is
Kasi
it
nag-start po
12:30?
siya
Paano
ng
tayo
12:30?
nag-aabangan ng 12:30?
No, ma'am. Nag-start po kasi siya ng 12:30 p.m. Tapos, alam ko po, ma'am, na no lunch break po kami ngayon, ma'am. So, tapos, actually, kakaakit lang po ni sir na isa na taga-BPI, ma'am. Tapos sabi po niya, ako naman po yung magla-lunch. Sabi ko po, wait lang po kasi may...
Hindi, wala akong problema. But why are you playing? Hindi pa ba enough na lumalabas na kami? Why are you playing? You want me to show you the video?
Alam ko po, ma'am. Alam ko po, hindi ko lang po talaga kayo napansin. Pero,
Bakit kailangan bang nandyan ako para hindi ka maglaro? Hindi, gawin lang natin ano ang tama, Nils.
yes po, ma'am.
It is supposed to be high alert. We are on high alert, di ba? Why are you guys playing?
Ma'am,
Ba't kayo naglalaro?
Nanonood lang akong video.
Nanonood.
Video po.
Tama, mali. Sir, tama, mali. Tama ang ginagawa niyo, mali.
Mali lang.
Mali. Lahat po yan sila nagbabayad ng sweldo natin. It's not because you're under the counter and nobody sees you, you can do whatever you want. This is official time, do official work.